Hey, it's Jimmy, and right now I want to show you another feature that you should be trying out today in Pictory. Let's have a look at the highlighting text feature. Sometimes in your scenes, you might have a word or two that you want to draw some attention to or put a little bit of extra emphasis. So Pictory makes it really easy. You just select your text, and when you go in to edit it, just select the word you'd like to highlight, and then up here in the ribbon, there's an option that says highlight. So now this word has a special color attached to it that just gives it a little bit more emphasis. You can do this on multiple strings of words if you want. So you can go in here and highlight multiple words. You can also change the color if you want to just add a different color to it. It's really cool. Also, if you'd like to do this ahead of time, when you're in the text editor from the text to video tool, you can select words from here and highlight them directly inside of this. Do multiple words through that. Also, if you just want AI to handle it for you, you can go over here to your scene settings and make sure you turn on auto highlight keywords.